Good afternoon, Driscoll Defenders. I am Mrs. Carver, your librarian. 2020 has proven to be an unusual year. Many things are changing, but one thing stays the same. Driscoll Library is here to provide you with reading materials and digital resources. I can't wait to get to know you this year. I want to find out what books are your favorite to read, maybe even help you discover your favorite books. Driscoll Library, with the help of NEISD and San Antonio Public Library, has thousands of books available in ebook and audiobook formats through our Sora app, as well as many resources to assist you in your academic needs. Occasionally, navigating through all the websites and links can be a little difficult. In fact, I imagine you're all a bit overwhelmed. I'm providing virtual Zoom office hours for students. I will help you with access to the library resources, and I'd love to give you some book recommendations. I'm available on Tuesday and Thursday mornings from 7:30 to 8:30, and Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday afternoons from 2 to 2:55. Please don't hesitate to meet with me during my virtual library hours. Whether you've forgotten when my Zoom hours are, when certain club meetings are happening, or what special events are available, you can go to the library webpage to find the answer. There's two ways to reach the library webpage. You can go to neisd.net and enter through Launchpad. In Launchpad, you'll go to the Driscoll Library app. Please notice that our Driscoll Library app has changed this year. It used to be a white box with a black tree, and now it looks like this. And that will take you to our library webpage. Or you can go to Driscoll Middle School. And here on the right side, you'll see these yellow apps. And if you click library, it'll take you to the library webpage. I want you to notice that we have a slider here. This is where I'll put my announcements and also my virtual hours. So if they change or anything like that, I'm going to try and post it here. If you do want to attend my Zoom, you can come over to the left side under library links and click virtual school. When you go into virtual school, it'll ask you to log in. You're going to see my hours again, and then at the bottom in blue, you'll see the Zoom link. Click here, and it will take you into the Zoom.